So guys, check this out. I was doing some math for the super secret project, and I went to use my calculator, and I was like on, and didn't cut on. So then I was like, okay, let's open up the back, and now I've got like, I cleaned up some of it, but I've got like battery acid all over the place now, and I don't know how to clean it off. I know I'm not supposed to touch it, so that's what the glove is for. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. But I do know I have it all over my desk now because I opened it up and it like exploded. But it's all right here. Hold on. It's like little shavings everywhere now. So there's that. So besides today, it was pretty normal. I worked all day. Let's see, what did I do? Clean this. Hopefully, I don't know. I think I keep waiting on the dude because we need to go get like supplies and stuff for this project. But then I was doing some like research on what it was, and I don't even know if what I was thinking about doing would actually work. So I was like, you know what? Let's do some math and actually figure out what I need before I go and buy something pointless. But I think I might go tomorrow Christiansburg and see if I can find some stuff and then like run some tests. And I know I'm being vague about it, but you know. So I haven't even uploaded a Shane for Games video today either because I've been working on this. This is not gonna work. I need some like, what cleans battery acid? I don't know. I thought alcohol would, which it looks like it is. It's getting rid of it. But yeah, so that's what I don't know what to talk about. I just know that I thought it'd be pretty cool to show this, because this is what I get for not taking the battery out of my, because I was using it like every day. Gosh dang it, I was using it like every day, and then I wasn't. And so they were like, now they're like, oh, you need a scientific calculator. And I was like, well, I'll just use this fancy one that I had from Calc, which is fine. But you know, it needs to work. And I don't even know if I have batteries, which is another thing. That's a whole nother issue. Ta-da! So there's that. Like, I got the inside of it. It looks kinda okay. Like, that side was the really bad side. And this side looks fine. The scuffs on the bottom is just where I dropped it a bunch of times. Hopefully that'll work. And I'll wear a glove. I am way over my head in this math. Look at some of this stuff. So, I guess this vlog will be about the super secret project, because I couldn't find any AAA batteries because I had AA, not AAA batteries. So I had to work out the math by hand, and your hint is the Bernoulli principle. So that's all you get. You can look up, see what it is, see if you can guess what I'm working on or whatever, or what we're working on. I'm trying to figure out the best like math, and what we were going to use, what I was going to use is not going to work now because the number is not high enough. So we got to figure out something else to get the number up. I'm not sure what we're going to use now. I might Google some stuff, but that's what I've been working on for this evening. So I don't know what this vlog is. I'm just rambling, but yeah.
So I've come to realize that what I was trying to do is not allowed in the current science of physics. If my math is right, then my theory is completely wrong, and I'll just have to do it how everyone else has done it. I now realize why it hasn't been done, and that's because physics doesn't allow it. I was like trying to create something that can't be created because of. Alright, well, Bernoulli's principle was part of it, and that was okay, that worked out, but then the law of conservation of mass and energy or whatever doesn't. Like, I was trying to break it, and that just doesn't work. So that sucks. But we're still gonna do this thing. Like, we're gonna build. I was just trying to make it like awesome. But we can still do this thing. So I have a headache because I filled up a whole loose leaf sheet of paper of ideas and all kinds of other stuff, and then I was laying in the floor, and then I was just like, oh no, and then I realized what had happened. So thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Breaking Focus, and don't break physics. Capture the moment, guys.